in the past, a little bit, we've been working to improve our interface in IGEMS CAD CAM, and we don't want to stop here, obviously, but I'm going to show you two things that I believe you haven't seen before. And also, if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our software, drop a comment in this video and we will make sure to look into that. But yeah, for now, let's look at our improvements. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is our right click. We have now added a menu to our right click, which previously was this repeat function. So we still have the repeat functionality, but we have a new, you could say like a quick access toolbar here. This find command is not yet implemented. It will be just within a couple of days, but you will be able to search for a command through this command. And these are just some suggestions that we have made here. But if you want to have your own custom right-click menu, you can, let's say you use offset a lot, you can right-click on offset and add to right menu. Right-click, it will appear down here. So perhaps you want to move that up a little bit and you don't use cleanup, so you want to remove that one. So click Manage Menu, highlight this and move that up to the top. Then you can click on Cleanup, Delete, OK, right-click. So now we have our offset and we don't have our cleanup anymore. So you can really customize this, and that is awesome to have that right-click quick access toolbar. The second thing I'm going to show you is our new selection system. So we go to IGEMS, Preferences, and in our display tab here, at the very bottom, we have new selection system. So this will be a default in the future, but we're just having it here for testing and developing so far. So if we have this checked, okay, I'm going to open a sample file. Let's open our AutoNest. So when I'm hovering with my mouse, you see that this gets highlighted. So that's a new. It's the same with parts and it's the same with every entity. And they all have different opportunities, you can say. So if I right click on a sheet, I can edit my sheet, I can register it, lock it. I can do all sorts of things here. So perhaps edit. I want to have the color width should be 5 on this one instead. Okay. So now we have a color width of 5. And let's say I want to right click on this one and change the quality on this one, perhaps. I haven't selected a machine yet, so okay, it's a medium quality. I'm all right with the rough quality on this one, so on part, right there, close. So all the entities have a right-click function and they also highlight. So if I make a circle here, this one highlights, right? And I can delete it, I can do whatever. So yeah, these are two really cool features. And as I said in the beginning here, if you have any suggestions on improvements, I'm thinking user interface now, just drop a comment below here and we'll make sure to do what we can in the pursuit of greatness. All right, thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.